Tell me about the sport coat again, Dad.
The Hall of Flame honoree gets to wear a special blazer at the induction ceremony. It's graduated in color like a flame itself. Bright blue at the bottom.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of a real emergency. If this has been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tones you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Chiking.
People are going chicken crazy.
Chiking.
Chiking.